The city awakens to a symphony of sound and scent, you know. It is a melody played on sizzling pans, bubbling pots. The air becomes a tapestry woven with roasting spices, baking bread, and grilling meats. This is Afghan street food, a vibrant, living culinary theater, in corners and alleyways, Kabul, Herat, and beyond. It is a world that feels instantly familiar, a universal language of nourishment and community, spoken with a uniquely Afghan accent. The food is bright, a kaleidoscope that beckons the eye, full of history, recipes journeyed through generations, but beneath the familiar, there are whispers. There are secrets, subtle notes that transform a simple dish into a masterpiece. Our countdown begins with a powerhouse of flavor, a true Afghan specialty known as kurut. At first glance, unassuming, hard, off-white balls, irregular chunks like stones, dehydrated, salted yogurt or buttermilk, a preservation born of harsh seasons. The process concentrates flavor to an unbelievable degree. Intensely sour, sharp, deeply funky, a signal of power to come. A jolt to the palate, salty, profoundly tangy, packed with lactic acidity. The very essence of umami, in a Central Asian form. For street vendors, a secret weapon, reconstituted into a potent, creamy sauce. Shelf-stable, no refrigeration, perfect for the street. Grate, whisk into warm water, dissolve into a milky, flavorful liquid. Adds depth you can't replicate with fresh yogurt alone. Cooling yet powerful, cutting through fats with signature Afghan tang. On the street, sticky rice with mung beans, transformed by a generous ladle of kurut sauce. Finished with garlic oil and mint, comforting and electrifying. Soft rice, smooth, potent sauce, a study in contrasts. Sharpness mellows to savory creaminess that lingers. A taste of tradition, pastoral life, and clever transformation. Moving down our list, we meet sumac, wild shrub berries dried and ground across the Middle East and Central Asia. Subtle, fruity, astringent scent, delivers clean, lemony tartness without citrus harshness. The ultimate finisher, brightens, cuts richness. Easy to store, ready to sprinkle. Grilled meats, salads, rice, instantly elevated. Brilliant red against dark char. Smoky meat, then bright, zesty lip. Instant freshness. A professional touch with a flick of the wrist. Classic on chapli or sikh, the quiet hero of balance. It doesn't cook away, a sprinkle of zesty magic. Vibrant, refreshing, impeccably balanced, inviting you back again and again. At number 8, dried fenugreek leaves, methi, a uniquely aromatic depth. Dry, it evokes cured hay, maple, celery, with earthy bitterness. Cooked, the bitterness mellows, savory, slightly sweet, hauntingly fragrant. A small amount goes a long way, economical, potent. Biryani, thin, stuffed flatbread with spiced potatoes, leeks, or lentils. Crumble in the methi, it perfumes the whole snack. As it fries, warm savory sweetness fills the kitchen. Earthy depth complements starchy potatoes and sharp onions. Not overwhelming, a savory undertone that elevates everything. Sophisticated bitterness cuts oiliness and sweetness. A whisper of the fields, rustic and refined. This humble leaf is a master of transformation, a true secret of satisfying flavor. Descending further, we arrive at namak paria, rock salt, mined from ancient mountain deposits. Sold in crystalline chunks or coarse grains, pink to gray with minerals. Cleaner flavor than processed salt. Complex, not chemical. Larger crystals don't dissolve instantly. Tiny pockets of crunchy saltiness. Vendors crush to fine for stews, coarse for kebabs. A masterclass in simplicity, jawari, grilled corn on the cob. Rub with lime while it's steaming hot, then shower with coarse salt. Crystals cling to moist kernels. Bite, sweetness, smoky char, bright lime, then that clean, satisfying crunch. Mineral complexity amplifies natural sweetness. In Afghan cooking, every detail matters, even the salt. At number 6, one of the most mysterious powers, asafoetida, or hing. Raw, notoriously pungent, sulfur, garlic, onion, but stronger. Stored airtight, then transformed by hot oil or water. A speck blooms at the start, Tarka or Tatka. Pungency tamed, savory foundation unlocked. Shorwa, clear broth soup from big street cauldrons. Vegetarian versions with chickpeas, potatoes, turnips. Start with hing in oil, then spices, onions, vegetables. Rounded, deeply savory, a richness you can't quite place. Without it, dishes taste flatter, less complete. A ghost in the machine, amplifying others without announcing itself. Breaking into our top 5, rose water, a secret that speaks to the soul. It's a fragrant hydrosol, subtle flavor, intoxicating aroma, not sweet. A few drops turn simple sweets exotic. Sheer yak, milk, sugar, salep, rose water, a touch of cardamom. Cold sharpens the perfume, creamy sweetness, warm spice, lingering rose. An escape in a bite, from dusty street to cool garden. At number 4, pomegranate molasses, a liquid jewel. Pure sour pomegranate juice reduced. Fruity, slightly tannic, caramel edges. Glaze, marinade, dressing, finishing drizzle, instant complexity. On liver kebabs, it caramelizes into a sticky, glossy coat. First smoke, then sticky sweet, then sharp fruit, then rich liver, bridged together. The trifecta of sweet, sour, savory, turning offal into a gourmet treat. We've journeyed through hidden corners of the Afghan street kitchen. From funky, salty kurut to zesty sumac, earthy fenugreek, mineral rock salt, savory hing, fragrant rose, and sweet sour pomegranate. They speak of mountains and gardens, preservation and balance. Vendors are custodians, proving profound flavors come from inspired use of what the earth provides. This is your invitation to keep exploring. Seek out an Afghan restaurant. Be adventurous. Ask questions. Taste the biryani. Savor the kebab. Try the sheer yak. Listen for subtle notes in the background, the generosity of spirit on every plate. Go taste. Be curious. Enjoy every single bite. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comment section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.